Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show how to navigate the consent forms on myGC. When a patient's consent is necessary, the practitioner can easily send an electronic consent form via the myGC app. This form can be signed directly within the app, removing the need for printing and scanning documents and supporting a paperless practice. Consent ensures that both the patient and the practitioner are fully informed and in agreement with the terms and conditions. In this video, we will start on the myGC dashboard screen. Please note that consent forms can be viewed from the dashboard screen, but for the purpose of this video, we will be navigating to the consent form screen. Click on the Health tab to open the Health screen. Next, click on the Consent Forms button to open the Consent Forms screen. Click on the Search Consent Forms field and enter the relevant details of the consent form you are searching for. Next, you are able to filter the consent form list by either selecting to display incomplete or completed forms. For the purpose of this video, we will demonstrate both these options in detail. First, click on the desired incompleted consent form to view its contents. Click on the Download button to save a copy of the form to your local device. To start working on the form, click on the Complete button. The consent form selected will now display on the screen. From here, you can read through the form and either accept or decline the consent, and afterwards give feedback regarding your user experience with myGC. To learn more on completing the form, please refer to the How to Sign a Consent Form with an SMS email link user manual, linked in this video's description. Next, click on the desired completed consent form to view its contents. Once again, you have the option to download this form. Click on the Completed View button to open the consent form. You can now read through the contents of this form, see if the form was signed by either you or your proxy, and also the time and date on when the form was completed.